Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can backtrack on Bumble. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you have to do is first of all access your Bumble app on your mobile phone. Right, so simply swiping to your left is being not interested, right? And if you swipe to your right, you're basically interested in the person. That won't access the backtrack. If you simply swipe to your left, then you will get this little icon on top, which is simply the backtrack icon. Tap on it, and now you can see this is the function. For that, you have to get the Bumble Premium for you to use that. Once you have taken that, you can choose a weekly, monthly, and 3 months package accordingly. Once you have gotten that, you will be able to use that. That is basically retrieving the not interested profile. For example, let's say I swiped him to left, but I was interested in him, so I can tap on this icon and I can get the profile back. So I can swipe him to my right and be interested. That is how it works. For you to do that, you will have to get premium and you're good to go. That is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.